Dhamma is a term that originates from the ancient Indian language of Pali, which was used to record the teachings of the Buddha. Dhamma, also spelled Dharma in Sanskrit, is a complex concept with multiple interpretations and meanings depending on different religious, philosophical, and cultural traditions. In Buddhism, Dhamma refers to the teachings of the Buddha, which include his insights into the nature of existence and the path to enlightenment. The Dhamma encompasses the Four Noble Truths, the Eightfold Path, and various other teachings that guide practitioners on their spiritual journey. It emphasizes moral conduct, meditation, and the cultivation of wisdom. Dhamma can also refer to the natural order or law that governs the universe. In this sense, it signifies the way things are, the interdependent and impermanent nature of phenomena, and the ethical principles that underlie reality. Outside of Buddhism, the term Dhamma Dharma may have different meanings. In Hinduism, for example, Dharma refers to one's moral and ethical obligations, the duties and responsibilities one must fulfill in their specific role within society. In summary, Dhamma is a multifaceted term that can refer to the teachings of the Buddha, the natural order of the universe, or moral obligations and responsibilities in different contexts. Its precise interpretation depends on the specific tradition or philosophy in which it is used.